Welcome back to Someday Is Now. Today Martha and I are in beautiful Geneva State Park in Ohio, right on the shores of Lake Erie. This is a hidden gem for campers, boaters, and anyone who loves the outdoors.
When you get to the campground and you're ready to check in, there's a very nice office with a little store right here. If you don't have full hookups and you need water, it's actually on the opposite side of this building. So you have to kind of loop around. But we'll take you inside and show you what's here. Friendly faces. And they've got some toys and some camping essentials. If you forgot anything, they probably have it here. And they have some t-shirts and sweatshirts, some cold drinks, and ice cream.
Good to go. You're welcome.
The campground only has one bathhouse / shower house. It's near the entry. It does have a laundry room, as you can see here. One of the machines was out of order, but usually there's one working, and $1.50 can't beat that. Moving around now, I'll take you into the men's room. Very clean, nice. Appears to be solid surface countertops, your regular toilets, showers. Not the cleanest showers I've seen, and one of the problems with most of these showers is there's nowhere to hang your stuff. This campground has full hookup sites, nice pull-throughs for big rigs, and shaded back-end spots for smaller RVs. The sites are well kept, and we found it super easy to navigate with our rig.
Now for your favorite part of the video, walk and talk with Martha. So, just wanted to show you a few of the sites. They're all pretty much the same. This is our site. We had full hookups. There's one loop that has full hookups here. And they're plenty long, level, partly shaded. We're having a little trouble with Starlink because of the trees. But it's been okay. This side is a little shadier. But it is just beautiful. We are in the last week of August and we've had some cool weather. It's been the mid-70s during the day and down to the 50s at night, so really, really pleasant. And today's the first day that it has not been windy, and we haven't had the off and on showers that we had for a couple days. So just wanted to give you a quick view of that. The electric is 3050 amp, and again, if you want full hookups, just check the website when you're making your reservation. That's all. Have you been to Geneva State Park? Let us know in the comments. And if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out and helps us provide more useful videos for you. So enjoy your camping, and remember, if you're an armchair traveler, your someday could be right now. Downtown Geneva is a really cute little town. Unlike many of the very small towns we've driven through in the United States that are kind of run down and not thriving, Geneva seems to be thriving. A couple restaurants. Got some nice flowers decorating, flags out. Really just a lovely little town.
There is a dump station available. Here we are exiting the park. Across the street there's this really beautiful campground loop on the lake. And if you want to camp here on this side, you better book early. Very popular. This would also be the best place if you want to get Starlink coverage. Geneva State Park isn't just about the campground, it's about the whole experience. There are hiking trails, a sandy swimming beach, and even a marina if you're into boating or fishing. Thanks for joining us today at Geneva State Park in Ohio. If you enjoyed this campground tour, please give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and follow along as we keep exploring one adventure at a time. And don't forget, someday is now.